Hello developers, welcome to my video series on Microsoft Flight Simulator add-on workflow. Today I'm updating some of the information I talked about in my Vertex Painting episode, and there are two things I would like to change. First, you don't need to have the BSDF node in the Vertex color path or in the Vertex alpha path. You can remove the BSDF node and then connect the outputs of the combiner nodes directly to the material surface node, and it works fine. So we can disconnect and reconnect, and I can get rid of the BSDF node, and we have the same information. Similarly, I can make the alpha path with the same information. Second issue is the issue with the alpha being painted at the same time that you add a vertex color to the vertices. If you paint a vertex color, the vertex alpha is also going to be painted. So what we'll do here is we'll set up the vertex color path, and I will change some values here. Let's do blue. And I'm going to add blue everywhere, or just on half. Now that we added blue here, if we go back to the alpha, we notice that we've colored in all of the alpha here. In order to stop this from happening, we can set the brush to affect alpha and uncheck that. We'll uncheck that, and now what I'll do is I'll remove the alpha from the windshield here, setting this to white, and erase alpha. It's all described in the previous episode, so now we have erased the alpha here. Let's go back to painting blue. There's the blue. I will now add blue. We'll just keep painting the rest of it blue. If we connect the alpha again, we see that nothing happened to the existing transparent portion of the vertex alpha of the mesh. So if you want to learn more about some of the inner workings of add-on building, join me, subscribe, and watch my videos. Good luck, and see you next time.